guys, for today we're going to Cavinti, Laguna, and today is Christmas.
It's Cavinti again.
It's our third time going there. Third? Fourth? Fourth, maybe third or fourth. It's our favorite place to hang out whenever it's December because the weather is really fine. Like, it's really cold there. Like Tagaytay levels, and it's really windy. It's very, very naturey there, but they have a pool which is really cold. So yes, let's all go to Cavinti, Laguna. Arat na! We are gonna bring one of our car. This is our van, and yes, this is my brother. He's fixing and checking in things before we go, and we're preparing na. We're just waiting for Ishi's family because they're going with us. Guys, we're finally off to Cavinti. Everyone is here already, and for this car, there's just five of us. My boyfriend, me, Mama, Kuya Frank, Erica, and of course, our baby Blake. Baby Blake!
Kasama po kami partner, guys. Hi to our vlog.
So we're headed now to Cavinti, and I think it's look at it. It's 3 hours and 6 minutes. Sama na naman yan. 7 years old na nga yan sa January eh. Guys, nandito na kami. Ginabi kami. Oh my God. Yan, ang dilim ng daan. Dito na kami, guys. And yan, umakat na kami sa room. Guys, we're finally in our room, and this is how it looks like. So yan, we just have 4 bed. Then, nagana na si Blake. And we also have like this balcony here na may swing. Yummy. Ang dami gani. Say hi, baby Blake. Si baby Blake, wala lang. Lagi na lang, guys, tuwing magta-travel kami, kalahati lagi ng bahay ang dala-dala. We're cooking some gibsay. And then, we're having cup noodles. And cooked in rice cooker, boiled water.
Girls cup.
Morning, guys. We're awake, and this is our view for today. Morning, guys. We're gonna take a stroll now. We're actually gonna head to like the receptionist because we're gonna ask if they have any available rooms for other rooms kasi medyo may problems yung rooms na nakuha namin. So let's go. Na may receptionist, ito yung room namin. It's not good to stay in that kind of room, so we're heading to the receptionist. Dito lake, pwede kayong mag-fishing. Punta tayo doon. So, this is the area where you can like go fishing. Malapad yan, guys. And this is like the road. You can go there to get out. Wala yung mga turtles, pero yan may pond dito na sobrang green na. Ayan. Iniwan daw na pang-fishing. You can also do like kayaking here, guys. Yung water, guys, nagmo-move siya. So, I think there's something alive in there. There are fishing areas, which I'm scared to be on, honestly. Meron silang dalawang pool dito, guys. Ito yung newest pool nila na malapit sa lake. Ayan. Tapos, yung isa kasi is malapit sa hotel natin. Punta natin mamaya. And it's pet friendly. Yes, it's pet friendly. But yeah. If you want to experience this naturey vibe, you can go here. Meron silang hanging bridge doon na medyo maliit. But I'm not gonna cross there. I don't trust it. So, I'm just gonna take a turn here. It's one of the reasons why like tourists go here. Because of this. May mga coconut sila na nakatry ng ganyan. Yun na, si Kuya Frank naman. Kuya Frank. Eh! Oo. Wow. Lumipat kami ng accommodation but the same resort but a different room or like a different accommodation. We're currently here at the lakeside. So ito yung room namin. Good for 4 to. So dalawa yung kinuha namin, yung si Ama nakahiga na. 1 bed and then there's another bed for like 2 persons. Pero 6 kami, kasya naman siya. Tabi-tabi na lang kami. And yan lang naman. Medyo mas maliit siya compared dun sa una. Pero mas malaki yung toilet and mas gumagana yung facilities. Medyo mas malinis-linis ng konti. Tapos, ayan, lakeside. Hey! So yan, meron kami ng gantong terrace. And then yan yung view namin. So, doon sila sa kabila yung isa. Cottage 5 and 3:20 in the afternoon and we're heading na para mag-boating. Lumipat na kami ng accommodation expecting it to be better, but you know what? Yung lock naman ng CR dito ang problema. Sa kabila, walang heater yung CR, tas then barado yung doon sa hotel nila, but for this, medyo mas okay naman siya kasi it's actually convenient like sa facilities nila. Kaso lang di na namin enjoy kasi oh my god, yung CR na sira, nalaki boyfriend ko. Hindi makalabas sa CR kanina. So, yeah, he locked himself. Sinabi na rin naman namin na okay lang naman kasi din sana na sira na yung pinto. However, he locked himself out. So, yun, sinira namin yung pinto. We have to go to the exit para sa sundo namin. Para sa boating and we have to ride. Going there. So, medyo marami kami. So, ayun na. Alis na kami. Hi! Dito na kami guys sa Caliraya Lake.
Ano rin, tatanong ka sa ano?
Hey guys, we're here now at Alexa's and yun nga, may overlooking view. Ano ito si Frank?
Hi.
And this is what we see at night. Gabi na kasi guys. And yes, ito sa Caliraya Heights meron din silang hotels. Ilapit nyo po yung crispy pata sa kalbo. Ubos. Guys, andito na kami papunta sa cottage namin. Sobrang dilim. Scary.
Sure?
Sure ba?
Sure ba?
Ano yan? Naray ka.